At Hanse, it's like being in an interior designer's studio. You can create your dream yacht entirely according to your own personal requirements. You have a unique opportunity to choose from an almost limitless number of combinations. Not only can we offer a range of different hull and waterline colors, but we also allow you to add your personal touch to the interior. You can choose between numerous different layouts, including 2 aft cabins, 1 XXL pantry, 2 wet rooms, and much more besides. That's why we call this the individual cabin concept. There's also a huge selection of materials to choose from for the interior fittings. 3 kinds of wood and 3 types of flooring. Not forgetting 30 upholstery fabrics, including premium leather if you wish. We want you to have the same freedom with your new Hanse 415 that you're used to having when designing your own home. We're sure that we've scored another big success with the new Hanse 415. Fast and safe, very easy to sail, fully customizable, and with all kinds of useful design innovations. She is quite simply the best 41-foot Hanse that we have ever built.